Hello, my lovelies. Let us all sing the Obey and the Buckle My Shoes song together. I hope all of you are ready. Okay, here we go. One, two, three. O B E Y, obey your mom and dad. O B E Y makes them really glad. Listen to the words they say. Obey your parents every day. O B E Y, obey your mom and dad. Very good. Let us all do the buckle my shoe together, okay? Along with action. Alright. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Alright, very good, everybody.